Good morning, students. Today we see a new chapter, cubes and cube roots. Cube, one cube. First, some important result of cube. One cube order value 1. Two cube. Cube meaning 3 times multiply பண்ணும். 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube order value 8. 3 cube order value 27. 4 cube, 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64. 5 cube order value 125. 6 cube order value 216. 7 cube order value 343. 8 cube order value 8 into 8 64. 64 into 8 order value 512. 9 cube order value 729. 10 cube order value 1000. 3 times multiply பண்ணும். Cube is meaning 10 into 10 into 10. Cube root. Root of one cube meaning this side 3 mention ஆயிருக்கும். Square root na 2, cube na 3. ஒன்னோட cube root 1. root 8 ஓட cube root 2. 3 times வந்தா 1 times மட்டும் ரைட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். cube 27 ஓட cube root ஓட value 3. root of 64 cube root value 4. 125 ஓட cube root value 5. 216 cube root value 6. 343 ஓட cube root value 7. 512 ஓட cube root value 8. 729 cube root value 9. 1000 ஓட cube root value 10. cube root இங்க 3. ஓகேங்களா? cube rootனா 3, square rootனா 2 மட்டும் மென்ஷன் ஆயிருக்கும். therefore cube root 8, cube root 27, 64, 3 mention. therefore cube root of 1000 ஓட value 10. actually cube root of 3x அப்படின்னு மீனிங்னா x power 1 by 3. இப்போ root of 8 அப்படின்னா 8 2 cube அப்படின்னு ரைட் பண்ணலாம். 3 கேன்சல் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 2. அதான் நம்ம ஷார்ட்டாக 2 into 2 into 2 3 டைம்ஸ் வந்தால் 1 டைம் மட்டும் எடுத்து ரைட் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேங்களா? 8ஓட cube root value 2. 27ஓட cube root 27 3 into 3 into 3 அப்படின்னு ரைட் பண்ணலாம். 3 டைம்ஸ் வந்தால் 1 டைம் மட்டும் ரைட் பண்ணலாம். 27ஓட cube root value 3. Exercise 7.1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? First question. 216. Divide prime factorization method. First divide 2. 1 2s are 2. 1 not divisible by 2. 16. 0 2 digit எடுக்கிறப்ப நடுவில் 0. 8 2s are 16. Again divisible by 2. 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table divisible பண்ணிங்கன்னா 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 7 2s are 14. 3 table divide பண்ணிங்கன்னா 9 3s are 27. Again divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Therefore 216 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. All factors appear in 3's group. பாருங்க 3 3 இருக்கணும். cube root அப்படின்னா 3 3. All factors appear in 3's group. 1 3. 3 numbers 3 pair இருக்கணும். which of the following numbers not a perfect cube? Therefore 216 is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. 3 3s are, and it is a perfect cube. Second question. Next, 128 divisible by 2. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2. 1 2s are 2. Remainder பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1 12. Therefore 6 2s are 12. 12 divisible பண்ணிங்கன்னா 8 2s are 16. Therefore again divisible by 2. 4 2s are 8. 12 divisible பண்ணா 2 2s are 4. Therefore 128 is also written as 2 into 2 into 2. Next 2 into 2 into 2. Next last digit 2. 3 3s பாருங்க 1 times. Next 3. Therefore 2 separate இருக்கு. Therefore 128 is not a perfect cube number. Not a perfect cube. Third question. 1000. Frame factorization method. 2 table divide பண்ணா 5 2s are 10. 0 0. 500 2s are 1000. Next 2 table divide பண்ணிங்கன்னா 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 5 2s are 10. 0. Next 2 table divide பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 5 2s are 10. The unit place value is 5. It divisible by 5. 5 table divide பண்ணுங்க 2 5s are 10. Remainder 2. 5 5s are 25. Again divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25. Therefore 1000 is written as 2 into 2 into 2. Next 5 into 5 into 5. 3s 3s இருக்கா பாருங்க 3 2 3 5s. Therefore 1000 is a perfect cube number. Perfect cube number. 1000 is a perfect cube number. Next 100. First divisible by 2. 5 2s are 10. 0. 50 2s are 100. Next 2 all divide பண்ணிங்கன்னா 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 5 2s are 10. Next 5 table divide. 5 5s are 25. Therefore 100 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Cube அப்படின்னா 3 3s இருக்கணும். இதில் 1 2 is missing. இதில் 1 5 is missing. Therefore 100 is not a perfect cube number. Not a perfect cube number. 100 is not a perfect cube number. Next question. 46,656. First divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 5. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 8 2s are 16. Next divisible by divided by 2. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. Remainder 1. 13. 6 2s are 12. Remainder 1. 12. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8. Again divisible by 2. 5 2s are 10. Remainder 1. 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 9 2s are 18, 3 மட்டும்தான் இருக்குது, 3 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் 1 2s are 2, remainder 1, 6 2s are 12. Again divisible by 2, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 11, 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 8 2s are 16. Again divisible by 2, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18. Three table la 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, and divisible by 3, 8 3s are 24, 1 3s are 3, again divisible by 3, 2 3s are 6, remainder 2, 21, 7 3s are 21, 9 3s are 27, and divisible by 3, 3 3s are 9. Therefore 46,656 1 2 3 4 5 6 2s into 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 3 3 into 3 3 3. Therefore 3 3s இருக்கா பாருங்க, 1 2, இதுவும் 3 3 இருக்கு, இதுவும் 3 3. Therefore 46,656 is a perfect cube number. Perfect cube number. Second question, find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain perfect cube. இந்த smallest number multiply பண்ணா it is a perfect cube number இருக்குன்றது question. First 243 divisible by 3 table divisible பண்ணா 8 3s are 24, 1 3s are 3, again multiply by 3, 2 3s are, so again divisible by 3, 2 3s are 6, remainder 2, 7 3s are 21, again divisible by 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Therefore 243 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3's 3's இருக்கணும், perfect cube number இருக்கு. First பாருங்க 1 2 3 தான் இருக்கு, 1 3 is missing. Therefore that is 3 is multiplied by it is a perfect cube number. Perfect cube number. 243 கூட 3 multiply பண்ணா the given number is a perfect cube number change ஆயிடும். (256) first divisible by 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 8 2s are 16, again divisible by 2, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, again divisible by 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again divisible by 2, 1 2s are 2, remainder 1, 12, 6 2s are 12, divisible by 2 divide பண்ணா 8 2s are 16, again divisible by 2, 4 2s are 8, again 2 ஆல் divide பண்ணிங்கன்னா 2 2s are 4. Therefore 256 equal to next 222 2 into 2 into 2. 3 3s இருக்கணும் cube root cubeக்கு perfect cube numberக்கு 1 term. Next second is okay. Third is 2 2's only, therefore 1 2 is missing, therefore 2 is multiplied. The given number is a perfect cube number. 2 is multiplied. The given number is perfect cube number. Two is multiplied. The given number is a the given number is a perfect cube number. Next 72. First divisible by 2. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 1 6 2s are 12. 2 1 2s are 2. Remainder 1 8 2s are 16. Next divisible by 2. 9 2s are 18. Next 3 3s are 9. Therefore 72 is also written as 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 2 is okay, but 3 la one number is missing. Therefore 72 must be multiplied by 3. Make it a perfect cube. Make it a perfect cube. 72 must be multiplied by 3. Make it a perfect cube. 73 கூட 3 multiply பண்ணி the given number is a perfect cube number change ஆயிடும். Next 675 divisible by 5. 1 5s are 5. Remainder 1 17. 3 5s are 15. Remainder 2 25. 5 5s are 25. And divisible by 5. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 3. 7 5s are 35. 3 table divide பண்ணினா 9 3s are 27. Again 3 table divide பண்ணினா 3 3s are 9. Therefore 675 is 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 இருக்கணும் cube root cube perfect cube number க்கு. But 2 5 1 5 is missing. Therefore 675 must be multiplied by 5. Make it a perfect cube.